Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo V11 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set ringtone in Vivo V11 Pro smartphone. First, go to the settings in your phone and click on sound and vibration. Just click on sound and vibration here. And here select SIM1 incoming call ringtone. Select any tone that is available within your phone. These are the system ringtones. Just select any tone from the system ringtones. Yes, the selected ringtone has been set. In the similar way, you can select ringtone for SIM2. You can also choose custom ringtone. Here I have no file, so it is showing 0. So in this way, you can set ringtone for SIM2. Just select any tone and go back to activate. Yes, the selected ringtone has been set. In a similar way, you can set ringtone for SIM1 message. This is message alert tone. You can also set custom ringtone. In a similar way, you can set message tone for SIM2. Also, you can select another tone for notification. You can also control some sounds like dial per touch tone, touch sound, etc. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye bye.